Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and today's topic is going to be about the different types of packaging. So there are total 7 types of different packaging. The first one being the paperboard packaging, right about here. So as you can see, I've also attached a reference image as well. So paperboard boxes or paperboard packaging is basically paper based. It's lightweight and strong. It can be manipulated to create custom shapes and different kinds of structures. It's usually ideal for personalized packaging, and it also comes in various grades, each type of grade suitable for different kinds of packaging requirements. Now coming over here to the second type of packaging, which is the corrugated box packaging. So corrugated basically means cardboard, right? So it comes in different types depending on the durability and the strength of the box. It's manufactured mostly by recycled paper, and it also includes, like, corrugated boxes packaging is mainly used in retail packaging, pizza delivery boxes, and also smaller consumer goods as well. Now coming over here to this third type of packaging, which is called the plastic packaging. Plastic packaging is comparatively more durable than paperboard boxes, and it has the ability to showcase the product at any angle without actually opening up the package as well. As you can see over here, mainly for detergent, like if you purchase a some detergent, right, you can see the liquid inside this plastic packaging right here. So it's also flexible and lightweight, plus it can be applied with films or any type of coating which enhances the packaging appearance as well. And now coming to the fourth type, which is the rigid boxes, right over here. So rigid boxes are highly considered paperboard boxes, but the only difference is that it's 4 times thicker than the paperboard packaging, which is this one right here. It's non-collapsible in nature, also gives it a high volume shipping, and it's commonly used for cosmetics, jewelry, high-end luxury couture, and also to an extent food items as well. Now coming to the other 3 types of packaging. The fifth one being the chipboard packaging, which is used in industries such as electronics, medical, beverage, and food items. It's made from reclaimed paper stock. It's cost effective, and it cannot be used for business deals with heavy items because it's pretty lightweight as well. Coming to the sixth one, which is the polybag packaging. Polybags, which is also known as pouch or a plastic bag, it's often used for food items, flour, waste, chemicals, magazines, etc. It's manufactured from thin, flexible plastic film fabric, and it's also reusable, flexible, and lightweight in nature. And the last one over here, which is the foil seal bag packaging. Foil seal bag you must have seen when you are purchasing coffee or tea products from your local grocery store, because it keeps the contents dense to maintain its flavor and also protects it from harmful bacteria. And it's also used for bedding and clothing purposes as well. So I've covered the 7 types of different kinds of packaging, and I hope you found this video to be useful. And keeping these 7 different types of packaging in mind, then you can design your own graphics depending on what type of material will be used for packaging purposes as well. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.